wanted to blend in, no self-expression, 'cause
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing great. If you guys are watching me for the very first time, then I am Debadrita. I make fashion, beauty, makeup related content, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now coming back to today's video, in today's video I'll be creating this look right here, and I have achieved this look with the products which all are under 100 rupees. So from today onwards, I'm also starting a series which is birthday celebration with BD. Basically 9 June is my birthday, so from the 1st June, that is from today, and to the 9th June, I will be uploading each video every single day. There will be some new content, and also there will be huge giveaway every day. So stay tuned for that, and also do follow me on my Instagram for the giveaway part. Now without further ado, if you guys are interested to see how I achieve this look with the products under 100 rupees, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so before starting the makeup, it's absolutely very necessary to prep up your skin, and for that today I'm going to use a Pons moisturizer which comes under 100 rupees. It's very hydrating and very good. For the foundation, I'm using this Elite Lasting Drama foundation. Now it's a very lightweight foundation. It feels like a moisturizer with a little bit of tinted balm, so it gives you a very nice light coverage. First I'm applying it to the dotted motion to all over my face. Next I'm using the blender to blend it out properly. As you can see, it gives me a very natural finish and looks absolutely perfect. And after that I need more coverage, and for that I go for the Pons Bb Cream. This is basically a blemish balm, and I'm applying it as a concealer to under my eyes, my nose bridge, my cupid's bow, my chin, as well as for my eyeshadow base. I'm just warm up the product with little bit with my finger so that the products can blend easily. So after it's done completely, I'll be again using the beauty blender to blend it out. As you can see that it is giving me a very nice full coverage effect, and the most beautiful part of this makeup look is that it feels really soft on my skin. Like after applying even 2 coats like Elite and the Pons Bb Cream, it is feeling really soft and nourished, as you can see here, and it's completely touch proof guys. For the setting powder, I am using this Blue Heaven loose finishing powder. This is basically a flawless loose powder which can be used for baking techniques. I'm going to apply it under my eyes to correcting my jawline as well as the areas where I sweat a lot. Now after waiting for a few seconds, I will be dusting it off with the help of a fluffy powder brush. Now make sure you dust it off properly so that there will be no powder stain. So for the cream contouring today, I'm going with this lip liner from Miss Claire. It's a very beautiful brown toned lip liner which can be used for creating a beautiful shadow because it's a creamy product. It blends out very nicely. So I'm just contouring my nose, and after that again I'll be blending it with the same blender. As you can see, it is giving me a very nice brown sort of shadow effect, and actually the best part is it's very easy to apply the nose contouring with this product. Now for my eyebrows, I'm again using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. First I'm combing up my brows, and next I'm going with the horizontal as well as some vertical strokes to fill the spars or gap areas on my eyebrows. And I really love that product on daily basis guys. It's very affordable and works like a magic. For the eye makeup, I have taken these 2 beautiful glimmer sticks from Swiss Beauty. So today I'm going for the blue shade. It's a very nice coppery toned blue shade, and I'm applying it on a random motion like on my eyelids, and I'm not going outside my eyes as well as I'm not going like upper crease area. Next I'll be blending it out with a smudger brush properly, and you can take little bit of the powder to blend it out. It's very blendable and it's a very nice product. Even you can use it for your party as well as occasion. I'm dragging the product on my lower waterline and doing the same from my other eye as well. You can see how beautiful the shadow looks. It's absolutely giving me a high-end product vibe. So when I'm happy with the blending, I'm going to use this Blue Heaven Kajal. This is very affordable and smudge proof, waterproof Kajal, and I'm tight lining my waterline to give it a very nice gold effect. For my liner, again I'm going with the Blue Heaven sketch liner. Now today I'm not going to create any wing liner look. I'm just following my upper lash line, and it sort of gives me a very open eyes and a big eyes effect. Again, using the same liner to just giving some glimpse to my lashes. Next, for my blush, I'm going to use this diamond blush on from Blue Heaven. All of the products are listed below in the bottom bar, so make sure to check it out. Definitely Blue Heaven products are amazing, so I tried to use most of these products on this video. And for the highlighter, I'm using this Swiss Beauty dust powder. They are loose powder which can be used as a highlighter because they have a very nice shimmery effect, as you can see here. I drawn up with the highlighter because I absolutely love it. Only for 90 rupees they are giving me such a nice vibe. No one can guess that it's basically a shimmer powder. So using the same lip liner for lining up my lips, as you can see the actual color of the lip liner, this is a very pretty dark brown shade. Any kind of nude lipstick which can't work for you, you can just go with this lip liner. Shade name will be the bottom bar, make sure to check it out. So after that I'm going with the Blue Heaven matte lipstick, and this lipstick is absolutely very matte, elegance matte lip color, and it's a sort of dark maroon shade which is perfect for any kind of wedding, any kind of occasion. So here I finish my final look. So that's it for today's video, guys. As you can see that this look you can actually pair with any kind of western outfit as well as Indian outfit, so that's why this look is very versatile, and the products I have used all are under 100 rupees, so very affordable look as well, but yet it looks very expensive, right? So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you recreate this look, do tag me in the Instagram. I would love to repost for you guys. Also do follow me on my Instagram for the giveaway, and if you want to connect me more. And with that note, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please press the bell button beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified every time I will upload a new video. Also check out all the videos linked below. I'm sure you're gonna love them. And this is me, Debadrita, signing off for the day. I will see you guys super soon with brand new video. Until next time, bye. Take care. Stay happy, stay healthy as always.